The Dogu HVAC company started producing equipment for the ventilation and air conditioning sector in a 2,000 square meter plant in Karabalar, Izmir in 1999. It continues its activities today in the Izmir Torbala Industrial Zone with an open area of 30,000 square meters and a closed area of 15,000 square meters. Dogu Air Conditioning acquired the Hvac company in 2011 and started the production of air handling units with an aim to fulfill the needs of its customers in line with developing technology, and with its experience is improving production quality day by day. The primary products that are produced by Dogu HVAC are grills, diffusers, louvers, fire dampers, air regulating dampers, high efficiency particulate boxes, laminar airflow units, CAV, VAV devices, and high-performance cooker hoods. These equipments are being used widely at shopping centers, luxury hotels, restaurants, cinemas, hospitals, laboratories, universities, and factories, and are increasing the comfort and safety of these facilities by regulating the airflow. Dogu HVAC proved itself to be world-class by obtaining the ISO 9001-2000 certification in March of 2005. This is one of the first activities started to increase the product and service quality. The Hvac company, with its experienced staff, manufactures air handling units, package-type hygienic air handling units, pool dehumidifiers, heat recovery units, ceiling-type air handling units, exhaust fans, and heating devices. Their products have the international quality certifications of Eurovent, TUV Hygiene, CE, GHOST, and TSE. The Air Handling Unit Selection Program, approved by Eurovent, which is prepared by the software engineers of Hvac, provides the most appropriate air handling unit in the best quality for each requirement. The Dogu Corporate Group offers suitable solutions in their field and thus provides better and faster service by adopting the policy of customer satisfaction and zero defects, and taking fast and firm steps forward along these lines. As of today, the Dogu Corporate Group, with its increasing production capacity and with its state-of-the-art technology, is exporting its products to 30 countries. The company takes as its traditional duty to produce its eco-friendly solutions at the highest standard, and so has many important references both domestically and abroad. The Dogu Corporate Group targets to set a higher standard of quality, to improve customer satisfaction, to invest in research and development continuously, and to become a worldwide brand.